High-ticket remote closing jobs involve selling expensive products or services like enterprise software or B2B consulting from home, typically with commissions over $10,000 per deal. These roles require converting potential customers into buyers through online interactions. Effective strategies include proactive networking on LinkedIn, targeted email campaigns, and engaging on platforms like Twitter X by sharing industry insights. Remember to personalize your outreach to avoid spam and focus on the value you bring to the client. Find high-ticket remote closing jobs on job boards like Indeed, FlexJobs, and Remote.co, and on company websites like HubSpot and Stripe. Freelance platforms such as Upwork and Fiverr also offer gig-based opportunities. Use scripts that incorporate storytelling and address common objections with ROI data. Focus on building relationships and nurturing leads over time. Personalized LinkedIn messages have a much higher response rate. Proficiency in CRM tools like HubSpot, data analysis for lead scoring, and adaptability across time zones are crucial skills. Stay up to date with the latest trends like AI-powered tools and emerging niches such as AI ethics consulting.